Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a secondary device to retrieve the key. Sign into the same Microsoft account tied to the laptop because many keys auto-sync there. If the machine belonged to an organization, note the domain and contact IT, Active Directory, or Azure AD often holds the key. Also check any USB drives, printed tags, or documentation the owner might have. Once done, prepare to try each storage location in order of likelihood. Now go fetch the key. On your secondary device, sign into account. Microsoft. com/devices, select the device and view the Bitlocker recovery key. Copy it exactly. If the laptop is corporate, contact IT to query Azure AD or Active Directory. They can provide the 48-digit key. Alternatively, inspect USB backups or printed recovery key documents. Keys are 48 digits in groups. Make sure to transcribe digits correctly. Misreading zeros and letter O or grouping with the 48-digit key in hand, type it at the Bitlocker recovery prompt during boot and press enter. The system will decrypt the drive and boot normally. Once unlocked, suspend Bitlocker or back up the key to your Microsoft or AD account to avoid repeat lockouts. If the key is irretrievable, the last resort is system reset or reinstall, which erases data, so exhaust account and IT routes first. If you hit errors, double-check every digit and try alternate linked accounts before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.